it is time to unbox our BoxyCharm base box for August. Here we go. So I'm really excited for this one. I was able to choose a product and I used to use it all the time. I honestly don't know why I stopped using it, but when I saw that it was available for choice, I decided to get it again. So I don't have any makeup on today because I already knew one thing that was in this box. So this is BoxyCharm Spa Glamping Sunbathe Yoga Slumber. We have the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, which we're going to put that on today. The Butter London Teddy Boy Eyeshadow Palette, Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, Mud Masky Blue Light Protection Mask, and Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to start off with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. This is the product I was talking about when I said I used to use it all the time and I don't know why I stopped using it. So I requested this again, that way I would have a fresh new container of it, and here we go. This is the shade Pearl and I'm actually going to apply it pretty much as just a base for my entire face today. And I have a little brush from BoxyCharm that came in a box a little while ago. So we're just gonna apply it. Okay, so there you have it. I love the coverage that this gives. I did use it all over my face this time. I just like to usually choose like one coverage product for the day. I don't like to keep caking it on, especially when it's this hot out. It's like 86 degrees. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer Super Coverage. This is the shade Pearl. Let's keep going and see what else we have. All right, next up we have Mud Masky Specialized Series Blue Light Protection Mask. So I'm not gonna lie, like I'm interested to see what this actually does. It says that it protects and helps shield harmful high energy visible HEV blue light from laptop, tablet, smartphone, television, LED light, computer screen. So I think I'm going to do a little bit more research on this and see how much the blue light actually affects our skin. Next up, again, I told you I didn't have makeup on, so I think we're just going to have fun applying a lot of these products today. The Butter London Teddy Boy 9-piece shadow palette. Let's see. These look like they're going to be browns and deep kind of shimmer colors. Ooh, it opens up. How pretty. It says, looking good, darling. Very cute. Okay. There you have it. I love this. I think they're very chic, these colors. It looks like you have like the navy kind of dark violet tones with some browns, nudes, neutrals. All right, we're gonna try this on now. Why not? First, I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna dust kind of all outside the lid with the shade Simon. That's that top middle shade there. Next up, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna use this shimmer in the bottom corner called Archie. We're gonna put in and apply that on the inner lid. These are so pretty. I'm like really loving all of these colors. Let's try to make this a little multi-use. I didn't do my brows yet, so I'm gonna use the shade Graham and I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in and I'm actually just gonna use the shade Archie one more time. We're gonna do just a little highlight here under the brow. I am so happy with this palette. I think these colors look amazing. I love it, and it's multi-use. I used one of the deeper browns for my brows too. So this is Teddy Boy by Butter London palette. Okay, this is totally my fault for going out of order. There's an eyeshadow primer in here. I will test this out on a different day and let you guys know what I think. But for now, let's see how well that this holds up just with the concealer under it. But this is Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. Just a cute little tube here. And last but not least, we have Clarins Paris Velvet Lip Perfector. It's saying this is the shade 1 Velvet Nude. Let's see. This would be perfect for what we've already started. Let's see. So this is one of those applicators where you just want to squeeze a little bit to get some color to start coming out. There it is. Okay, let's see. It's definitely like really smooth. Very sheer color, but it's there. You can see now that it came out. I like it. It's very, very soft and smooth on the lips. I think it's nice to add just a little bit of something so you have something on your lips, but not a huge pop of color. All right, so I'm actually really excited about this box. I think this is a great variety that I received. So you saw that we used the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this was Pearl, and then the Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. And on me now is also the Clarins Paris Velvet Lip Perfector in shade 1 Nude. Thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in. Definitely follow my channel for updates. You can also find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Check out my website. It's here at the bottom. And I can't wait to see you guys again.